If you want to change volume on the Samsung Galaxy A27, we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. For example, we can open settings on our phone, and then we can proceed to sounds and vibration, and then in here we should be able to find the volume option. And over here we have a bunch of different sliders, and you can adjust the volume for each of these different things. You can slide to the left and to the right to adjust the volume for the selected category, and that is pretty much all in this case. What you can also do is you can press volume up or volume down on your phone, and this changes the volume for media, and just for media. Unless you are in the phone app, then in this case I believe we change the color volume level instead. Actually, no, it changes the media volume as well. So once we have this bar visible, at the top we have three dots. You can tap on them to open this panel where we have the option to change the system volume level, the notifications volume level, AI assistant volume level, ringtone volume level, and the media volume level, all of which can be adjusted with our finger over here. Also, if you go to the quick settings panel over here, you should be able to find this volume slider as well. This is just for media, so you can move left and right over here to adjust it very easily. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.